Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning the essential prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. You confirm who must be heard and limit to a manageable group. This prevents noise and creates focus. Once chosen, state a single measurable goal and a time window so conversations stay purposeful. Make sure to pick the communication channel that matches cadence, real time for urgent alignment, async for reflective input. Then invite stakeholders with a clear prompt and one specific deliverable to start the collective voice process. You now move into the detailed execution where facilitation matters most. Start with structured prompts so answers are comparable. For example, ask 3 targeted questions and 1 priority ranking. Once responses arrive, cluster similar ideas into themes and tag contributors for clarity so synthesis is efficient. Make sure to moderate participation to balance louder voices. Use timed turns and optional anonymity. Then synthesize the clusters into a draft proposal, highlighting where consensus exists and where trade-offs are required, so the group can iterate. You finish by converting collective input into clear decisions and assigned actions. Once done, write a concise decision record that lists choices, the reasoning behind them, owners, and deadlines so accountability is explicit. Make sure to broadcast a 1-page summary and schedule a short review call to confirm understanding and next steps. If resistance appears, surface dissenting points, reopen a narrowly scoped question, or run a quick vote to break ties. This troubleshooting step preserves momentum while respecting unresolved concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.